Yes.
Lordship, my senior is Leon Amateur could kindly take up the matter, will be taken up after Renu vacation.
Which matter?
Item number 1, admission.
It's a 17 matter.
Yes, Your
Just let me look at have a look at it. Any other mention? Matter is once again adjourned at on the prayer made by learned counsel for the petitioner. So it is noted that the matter has been twice adjourned at the instance of the learned counsel for the petitioner, when the matter was previously listed on 21/9/2022 and 18/11/2022. So hence it is made clear that on the next date, prayer for adjournment from the petitioner's side would not be entertained. Please stop dancing. Be on vacation.
Hello.
Item number 6, motion be.
Yes, this is wildlife matter. Just wait for some time.
Two for admission.
None appears on call for the petitioner or for the respondents. The petitioners, respondents. Next for that. The grievance of the petitioners is that they were expelled from the institute for one semester. And they were also directed to vacate the hostel by 3/8/2018. And this court by interim order dated 7/9/2018 had stayed the order dated 2/8/2018. Impure order is hostel. As 5 years has gone by, now it appears that the matter has become infectious, as the students must have passed out the BTech course by now. accordingly. As the petitioner is absent on call, the matter stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
3A,
May I begin? The petitioner, my lord, lower primary teacher, appointed initially, my lord, a stipend. And for, see, he got my lord salary as a stipend for 6 years. And thereafter, my lord, his service was regularized, my lord. And thereafter, he got regular salary, my lord, for 13 years, total 19 years. Since my lord, June 2014, the salary has been stopped. My initial appointment order, kindly see my lord, page 14, annexure 3.
Yes, for the elementary education, who's there?
I'm hearing for the elementary. Lordship, it's a BTC matter, Lordship.
No,
My lord,
BTC says they don't have records of that.
My lord, my lord, can I get some time? My lord? I'll get my instructions, Lordship.
Because here the stand of the BTC
My lord,
is that the petitioner was appointed by the Deputy Inspector of Schools Mangalday,
Mangal Day.
which was created by the government,
My lord,
and the retention was from the government of Assam.
my lord.
But thereafter, the name of the petitioner was not found. They say that they are not aware what has happened.
My lord. I'll get my instructions, my lord,
Okay.
at the earliest.
Because
Last question also.
no, this is a 2018 matter.
My lord, on the last occasion, my lord, I was not in this matter, my lord.
No,
my lord,
I understand, but that can't be helped from 2018 if the decision authorities are not taking a decision.
My lord, a short date may be given. I'll ensure that, my lord, they give the answer. Today only I'll send, my lord, urgently, my lord, in the group, my lord. We have a group, my lord, where urgent matter.
Okay.
WhatsApp.
Mr. Hermes S. Chauhan and counsel for the petitioner. In this writ petition, the petitioner claims that he was appointed as a stipendiary teacher by order dated 36/1995. And thereafter, the petitioner was granted a regular pay scale with effect from 22/11/2001 by virtue of order dated 22/3/2020, 22/3/2002. And he was, and by order dated 21/4/2007, he was transferred from Poop Rajagar to Rajagar LP School within Khairabari, KHOI Education Block. And the service of petitioner was confirmed by order dated 9/8/2011. Although the petitioner claims that although he has received salary, regular salary till May 2014, from June 2014 onwards, his salary has been stopped. Next, Mr. V. Chaudhary Lanet, standing counsel for the BTC, has referred to the affidavit in opposition filed on 6/3/2020, and it is projected that the posts were created by the government and the post was retained by the government of Assam. But the BTC authorities are not aware as to why the petitioner has been left out. In the order dated 8/8/2014, passed by the District Elementary Education Officer Dharang. And he submitted that the BTC is not the authority to deal with the issue raised by the petitioner. Mr. A. Fukal, standing counsel for the Elementary Education Department. Raised for some time to obtain the instructions. Next, it is noted that it is seen that notice of motion was issued by order dated 7/9/2018. But the Elementary Education Department has not filed their affidavit in opposition till date. So accordingly, it is made clear that if affidavit in opposition is not filed at least 2 days prior to the next date of listing, the court would be inclined to draw, the state is put to notice that the court would invoke the doctrine of non-traverse and presume that the state has admitted the claim of the petitioner, and the court would be compelled to issue order for release of the salary of the petitioner on and from June 2014 till date, within a period of 3 months from the date of the order. Next para list on 26/4/2023. The Learned Standing Council for the Elementary Education Department shall transmit a copy of the order to the respondent numbers 1 and 2.
Well, deeply obliged.
Michael.
6,
Yes,
Okay. Lordship, with the second offense is 70 days. Lordship, investigation is going on. We'll file our offense report, Lordship. very shortly.
this is a second offense.
Yes, Lordship. Well, earlier, Lordship has only rejected the bail, Lordship. He's a
No,
habitual
no.
offender.
No, that is the previous bail application. Doesn't mean second offense.
Lordship, earlier, there was a case registered against him. Lordship.
Where is that?
Lordship may come to page number 11, Lordship.
Page number 11, yes.
Page number 11. Lordship, ground of arrest, point number 4. One of the arrestee, namely Santosh Kumar Gupta, is a habitual wildlife offender who was arrested by this office in connection with OR number so and so for similar crime. Lordship, in case of second offense, it is 90 days. Till date, it is 70 days, Lordship. Lordship may give us some time immediately after vacation. Till then,
No, I can't give you time. It's 90 days is 90 days. I can't extend that.
no, definitely, Lordship. Today is, as per today, it is 70 days, Lordship. So we still have 20 days time to file our offense report.
For that, my honorable court cannot visit, my lord. Because this incarceration.
No, once it
cannot
is a second
continue.
offense. we
My
cannot
lord,
give
it's
you bail. We're not
definitely a
giving you
serious
bail.
offense. I consider that. But
Second-
all the articles has been recovered on the day one, my lord. And thereafter, already 70 days I'm behind the bar. Whatever the investigating authority needed to question, already everything has been done. Within this 20 days, they are not going to
No,
extract
even-
any more
even you see-
anything from me, my lord.
Even you see, previously you were arrested. But you did not get the
That is clear.
message.
Lordship.
No, I'm refusing. If it is a second offense. But Mr. N. Anand, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr.
SM Hassan, Lordship.
S.M. Hassan, Learned
Lordship, on behalf of Mr. P. N. Goswami.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. P. N. Goswami, Learned Standing Counsel for Wildlife Protection. The petitioner was arrested in connection with so and so. Has paid for regular bail under section 439 CRPC. Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner is behind the bars for the last 70 days. And that the items which were seized from the shop of the petitioner are articles which are generally used for performing puja. And it is widely available in the in various shops in the Kamakya temple area. It is also submitted that all the suspected wildlife and articles were seized on the date he was arrested. And therefore, it is submitted that further custody interrogation of the petitioner may not be necessary. Next, the learned counsel for the respondent has produced the case records and has referred to the forwarding note of the IO appended to this bail application as Annexure 2. Forwarding note dated 25/1/2023. And it is submitted that the petitioner is a habitual offender. And on an earlier occasion, he was arrested in connection with OR number capital G/38 of 2020 dated 2/12/2020 for a similar crime. Most of under such circumstances, is the petitioner is a repeated offender. The default bail period would be 90 days. So therefore, in the interest of investigation, the court is not inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Most of accordingly. This second bail application is also rejected. Return
My
the-
lord, humbly,
Yeah.
we had paid for some time, my lord. Because on the last occasion, my lord
No,
charged it.
20 days you can't keep pending. Bail matters we can't keep pending. You can file a fresh application.
My lord, highly obliged.
Obliged.
More for orders.
I am appearing for your lordship in this case for
Respondent
3
number
and 4. 3 and 4.
Yes.
Last occasion when matter came up, your lordship was
Pass over the matter for the time being, your lordship. Senior region.
Time being. Yes, please remind me, what did I say?
Lordship, on last occasion, your lordship, an increment was, prayer was allowed, your lordship. The candidate who was selected, your lordship, he was made a party in the present proceeding, your lordship.
Okay,
And so far as the record is concerned, your lordship, of selection, that was with the Director of Higher Education, your lordship, since we have already sent the entire record to the Director of Higher Education for approval, your lordship.
okay. The petitioner. The petitioner is presently working as what?
He was working as a, your lordship, junior assistant, your lordship.
Okay,
Selection was conducted.
okay, I
He
now get
returned,
it.
lordship,
After some time, let him come.
lordship.
You have filed your, Mr. Balwa, you have filed your affidavit?
I would say, we have not highlighted, so we have to say concerns.
So, yeah, you have not filed,
I
you have the records with you?
I have to consult with Google record, maybe with him, lordship. I consult with Google, record with him or not.
Okay, because here only the requirement is to examine the qualification the petitioner has. Is it right?
Lordship,
We are only required to examine the qualification which he has, whether he is otherwise qualified to be the librarian.
lordship.
That is the only issue.
That is the only issue.
Okay.
And he claims, your lordship, since he was working, your lordship, he should get preferential, basically.
I
When I lost the opinion, inspection was not what I happened. I was fined for showing violation of an interim order. But lordship, today in the morning, I sought for some consent for an adjournment because I thought I will not reach because of some personal difficulty. So that is the problem. Otherwise, I am ready with the matter.
Okay. Let us see, you are ready?
No, lordship, we have not received the instruction, lordship. For BTC, lordship, and elementary is also their second last order, lordship.
No, because you see, you'll have to make some submission. Here, what has happened, that this interlocutory application has been filed to stay the notification. I think by now, you would have, what has happened to that selection process?
Yes, lordship, yeah, I have seen it. Lordship may take it up on 11, lordship.
You get the information because
Yes, I will,
you just call them and get information.
Yes,
because
lordship, I'll get it, lordship.
after some time, because you need to have clarity. If you have gone ahead, you have not gone ahead, the interlocutory applications are kept pending for more than 1.5 years. That is,
Yes, lordship.
doesn't look good. Just get some information, we'll take it up after some time.
Yeah.
Just telephone, get some information about the status of the advertisement. Whether you have proceeded or you have stayed,
Yes, lordship, I will.
because if appointments have already been made, in this, we can't do anything. Just get
Lordship, I'll
information.
get it.
Sir, and
But please, lordship, my lord, this is that review matter.
Ah.
We
are not coming today also. Heard Mr. S. Chakravarti, land counsel for the petitioner. None appears on call for the respondent. The petitioner has filed this review petition in respect of order dated 3/6/2022 passed by this court in WBC 3394 of 2018. The said order the court had recorded this statement made by the learned counsel for the respondents,
Bank.
respondent bank, the respondents, i.e. Allahabad Bank.
My lord, that time it was Allahabad, now after the
Okay,
market,
Allahabad
Indian Bank.
Now merged.
Indian Bank.
Now merged with the Indian Bank. Statement recorded statement made by standing counsel for the Swansea Bank that who had denied that the interview had taken place as projected by the petitioners for the post of sweepers in various branches of the respondent bank pursuant to advertisement dated 30/11/2014. The court recorded that the submission that the whole interview process was kept in abeyance on 13/1/2016 as per instructions issued by the Ministry of Finance dated 22/12/2015, by which the ministry had recommended discontinuation of interview in the recruitment process in public sector banks for junior level posts by the deadline of 31/12/2015. The court further recorded that the submission that in the absence of any subsequent direction by the Ministry of Finance to the management of the respondent bank, the process, which was kept in abeyance, could not be reviewed. In this review petition, the learned counsel for the petitioner, by referring to the statements made in this review petition, as well as documents appended thereto, has successfully projected that interview process was held in the GS Road branch, right?
My lord,
On 3/6/2015.
my lord, in my affidavit in reply, I have given the dates of interviewing every branches, my lord. In the affidavit in reply, page 52, running page.
52.
Yes, in the affidavit in reply. By the advertisement, my lord, 19 branches. Interviews were held in all the branches except 2 branches where no application was filed. Submitted, my lord. Running page 52 is the list of branches
Oh.
where. So now this writ petition is connected with
just
GS
one.
Road branch.
Just one. I refer to the statement made in the this review petition as well as the affidavit in reply. And it is submitted that interview for selection of sweeper was held as follows.
Nineteen branches were
Internal page
applications were
40.
sought for.
In 19 branches.
No, my lord. And the advertisement, 19 branches application were sought for. 17 branches interviews were held. However, in 2 branches, interview could not be held because no application was received within the cutoff date of the advertisement. That is what we have explained in the paragraph and given the list in the dates of interview.
In this connection, it is submitted
Paragraph 7 of my.
In the employment advertisement, the recruitment was envisaged for 19 branches, out of which interview were held in respect of 17 branches. And the interview for 2 branches could not be held, as no applications were received for these said 2 branches. So the name of the branches and date of interview are as follows. In their affidavit, they changed their stand. Where is that?
Well,
In their affidavit, they changed stand. Where is that?
page 3.
The learned counsel for the petitioner has
Paragraph 6.
referred to this statement made in paragraph 6 of the affidavit in opposition. Where the following statement is made, paragraph 6. Like.
And my lord,
Where
there,
is that affidavit in opposition? Affidavit is not here.
my lord, in paragraph 9 of the affidavit in opposition filed in the writ petition, which they have also annexed.
No,
in
no,
the-
here also affidavit in opposition was filed
Yeah,
in this review petition.
yes,
Where is that? It's not come on record.
my lord, I got a copy of the,
No, but I have to have the official copy.
it was filed, I received it. And I have filed a reply also.
No, reply I'm getting, but that is not there. Nobody pointed out on the last day. You should just show it to me. Because I have to get the original record when I'm disposing of the review.
And in the affidavit in opposition, they have annexed the earlier affidavit filed in the writ petition and that paragraph 9.
Officially, it's not, it's not in the board. Because I can't dispose it of without the recording here. Just change that, huh? Mr. S. Chakravarti for the petitioner. Now appears on call for the respondent, the Indian Bank and sorry, responding Indian Bank. The learned counsel for the petitioner has pointed out that on 2/1/2023, he has received a copy of affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. And accordingly, affidavit in reply has also been filed by the petitioner. The affidavit in opposition by the respondents is not on record. The registry shall trace out the affidavit in opposition filed on 2/1/2023. One by one, Chandaneswar, CHANDANESWAR Goswami, on behalf of Indian Bank, zonal manager of Indian Bank, and take the same on record. In the meanwhile, the learned counsel for the petitioner is permitted to make a photocopy and hand over the same to the court master to be retained on record.
I'll do it today itself.
It's okay. List on 10/4/2023.
10th.
10. Because once I have ordered, then I can take on record.
My lord.
Uh,
The problem is with the council, my lord.
No, I understand. That is why you see, I started the hearing because I know.
And why I'm insisting for an early date, because the lordship has seen this as poor part-time sweepers, my lord.
So that's why I'm giving a short date,
Yes, my lord.
but we can't help it. Other side is also S. Chakravarti. So we can't be angry with Miss, what you call S. Chakravartis.
And I am under huge pressure from this.
No, I understand. That's why I'm giving a short date.
Yes, my lord. And perhaps earlier also there was a direction to list this affidavit along with the record, my lord. I do not know why.
I don't know. I've not given it back.
Perhaps, my lord, if I recollect correctly. Or it may be like that, a copy was served upon me, but actually it was never filed.
Just note there, one line. It appears that the court had recorded in the order dated 4/1/2023 that affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents is not on record. And the registry was directed to tag the same on record. So in this regard, seen the office note dated 17/1/2023, wherein the registry has noted that registry has referred to the order dated 4/1/2023 and has reported that as per the report submitted by the filing section of registry available at flag A, no such affidavit has been filed to date. Accordingly, as per this note of the as per report of the registry dated 17/1/2023. So therefore, it appears that accordingly, in the event the registry in view of the Land Council for the selection is permitted to make a photocopy of the copy of affidavit in opposition served on him and provide it to the court master on the next date of listing. List on 10/4/2023. Let's correct the problem. Okay, it's not there.
So, my lord, now if it is
Okay.
not there, my understanding is whether your lordship can take note of the affidavit that has been served.
No,
copy
once it is served, they will decide on that day.
Right.
If it is not there, it's not there.
of- Perhaps it was served upon me, but never filed.
Okay, great.
I,
Yes,
Well, here, my lord, the case that is, I find it at file. There is some another case, a set of case more than 100, my lord. Regarding regularization of 1009 persons, my lord. So, my lord, I have, it has last listed on January or February of this month. I cannot recall the number, my lord. Let it be taken up after a week, my lord. In the meantime, I will get the number because these are, there are orders of the single judge as well as the division bench, my lord. Otherwise, there will be contradictory orders from the different courts. I cannot recall the number. There are more than 50 cases are there.
no, only if that happens, then only the education department will be
No,
happy, I think.
only thing today, I don't have the numbers today, my lord.
Okay.
Only lordship will fix it on the next week, my lord. In the meantime, I'll get the number, my lord.
You see,
I'll just
briefly
indicate the facts what has happened.
no. If I'm not hearing it, I'm not hearing it. If it doesn't help me or helps you, the hearing, if it doesn't help you, no point hearing it. But this is an interlocutory application filed in 2019. Notice was issued on 29/7/2022. Oh, sorry, 21, I 21. So whatever be the status, you file an affidavit in opposition, otherwise,
Lordship, that can also be.
because otherwise, just because other matters are pending, we can't keep in adjourning this.
Lordship, allow me some time, my lord. In the meantime, I will find it.
Okay. Mr. BP Bharat, the counsel for the applicants is present. Mr. S. Bora, learned standing counsel for the BTC UTC. Submits that there are other petitions on the same subject matter, which relates to filling out of 1009 posts pursuant to notification dated 9/2/2021. And therefore he seeks some time to obtain instructions. Next point is observe that notice in this interlocutory application was issued by order dated 29/7/2022. But the respondents have not filed any counter to this interlocutory application. First of all, merely because the subject matter of this interlocutory application is also agitated by others by filing separate writ petitions. Would not be a ground for the court to adjourn the matter. When it is seen that the respondents have not filed their affidavit in opposition in the matter. Next, accordingly, it is made clear that unless there is any restraint orders not to proceed with this interlocutory application on the next date, the court will proceed to hear this matter, notwithstanding whether The subject matter is also involved in other writ petitions. Next paragraph. The respondents may be well advised to move the registry to club all the matters to be taken up together. Next paragraph. List on 28/4/2023. 28/4. And I'm very clear that I'm not adjourning the matter unless you have an order restraining me to proceed with the matter,
I'll file my affidavit.
or registry, you move the registry to club all the matters.
Okay. Deep blue.
Or
Oh, you're also there, Mr.
I'm NCT, my lord.
Mr. Yalo, of the NCT is also present. You're also there. Mr. P. Saikya, you're
Six and seven.
BTC,
WPT, 6 and 7.
WPC and BT department,
WPT.
WPT and BC department. P. Saikya, standing also. Okay. Give your name to the court master. Give your name to the court master. Yes.
or
Yes. Okay, he may join us. In the meantime, I hear the,
Yes, Lordship, recording record, Lordship, we have to verify record is here or not. There are people after vacation, Lordship, we can place the record, Lordship. I'm not sure, I talked to Gogoi also, I'm not sure if the record is here or. We verify after vacation, Lordship. Vacation for admission hearing, Lordship. 24 orders.
who's appearing for respondent number 5? You are appearing for 5.
It will already disposed of. Related, but order to pull and disposed of.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
You're for 4. Mr. Whatever.
Lordship 4 and 5.
You're for 4. 5 she's appearing, she said.
No, 4, 3 and 4, your Lordship.
3 and 4. We can't wait. We will adjourn it then.
Lords.
It goes after you.
Lords.
All sides are duly represented. On the prayer made by the council for the petitioner. The matter stands adjourned today. List in the first week of May 2023.
Lords.
You ask him, you don't speak to him. I am not giving you copies. I am not giving you copies. Correct. You speak to the council for the petitioner.
Obliged.
Apply.